I'm Flory Pro, Trust and Estate Planning Officer at First Citizens Community Bank. Welcome to the second video in my series on trusts. In the first video of this series, I gave an overview of what a trust is, what it's used for, and why you might want to use one as part of your estate plan. In this video, I'll discuss 4 common types of trusts so you can better understand if one of these trusts would be a good fit for you and your family. Remember, estate planning is all about protecting your loved ones, protecting what you've worked hard for your whole life, and providing peace of mind for you and your family. First, let's talk about a revocable living trust. When you're unable to manage your finances for yourself, a revocable living trust allows a successor trustee, such as First Citizens Community Bank, to manage your assets for you. This arrangement may be particularly beneficial to you if you don't have family members or friends who you trust and who are available to manage your finances when you're unable to do so. A revocable living trust allows you to maintain control over your assets and receive all income and benefits while alive. This is similar to a financial power of attorney. While there are no tax advantages with a revocable trust, it can help to avoid probate, which is a legal process requiring court involvement, court filings, and fees. Upon your death, the trustee will distribute the trust assets according to the instructions in the trust agreement without going through the probate process. In this way, a revocable trust can also act as a substitute for your will. Next, let's talk about another common trust, a special needs trust. A special needs trust benefits someone with a physical or mental disability. The purpose is to provide the beneficiary with supplemental care over and above the benefits they receive from any local, state, or federal government, including Social Security and Medicaid. Instead of giving assets directly to the beneficiary with the disability, assets are managed by a trustee who invests the funds until they're needed. Because there are very complex rules for administering this kind of trust that require an understanding of various government benefit programs, be sure to name a corporate trustee such as First Citizens to do the job right. Generally, the trustee of a special needs trust may distribute funds for items such as accounting services, appliances and home furnishings, a new computer, internet services, dental work not covered by Medicaid, auto expenses such as gas and maintenance, educational courses, elective surgery, fitness equipment, and even funeral expenses. A special needs trust can give you peace of mind knowing that the financial needs of your loved one with a disability will be managed responsibly and professionally. Another common trust is a spendthrift trust. A spendthrift trust is established to provide funds for the support of a beneficiary who may be imprudent, extravagant, or unable to manage money. It is often used for beneficiaries with potential gambling, drug, or alcohol addictions, or for beneficiaries who are too young or may just have a difficult time managing their financial affairs. There are numerous ways to structure a spendthrift trust to distribute funds to the beneficiary in a gradual and controlled manner, either at the trustee's discretion or at certain ages such as age 21, 25, and 30. Regardless of how the trust is structured, it must contain a spendthrift provision, which is special creditor protection language drafted by your attorney to include in the trust agreement. The main benefits of a spendthrift trust are that the beneficiary cannot transfer the rights to future payments from the trust, and creditors cannot reach any money held in the trust. The last trust we'll cover is a marital trust. Marital trusts are typically used for families that include stepchildren from a previous relationship. Families can be torn apart when children from a previous relationship are in competition for assets with their parents' new spouse. A marital trust allows you to make some of the trust funds available for your new spouse during their lifetime, with the remaining assets passing to the children after your new spouse dies. This arrangement may be especially appealing if the new spouse does not have sufficient assets to meet their retirement needs in the event that you die first. In my many years as Trust and Estate Planning Officer, I've learned that every family is unique with different dynamics and varying ideas on how to financially take care of loved ones. I would be happy to sit down with you to help identify your estate planning goals and to discuss whether a trust is the right tool to fulfill your wishes. If you already have an estate plan, I can review it with you to ensure it meets your goals. Please reach out. I'd be glad to help.